Imagine you're working on a project and encounter a common coding problem. You're trying to save Keepass entries using PyKeepass, but when adding a .txt file as an attachment, you run into a type error, making it a real headache to solve the problem. Now let's dive into the solution for this pesky issue. In the provided code, it's suggested to first use add_binary to add the file content as binary data to the database. Then, you can attach this binary data to the entry using add_attachment, referencing the binary ID generated earlier. This process ensures a smooth handling of the file content. Continuing on the solution path, the next step involves reading the content of the .txt file as binary data and storing it in a variable using add_binary. Once you have the binary ID, simply attach it to the entry by calling add_attachment with a binary ID in the desired file name. This method ensures proper integration of the file content as an attachment. To wrap it all up, we've discussed a straightforward approach to resolve the type error while adding attachments to Keepass entries using PyKeepass. By following the provided steps to add binary data and attach it to the entry, you can seamlessly handle file content without encountering any errors. Remember, keeping it simple and structured is key in overcoming coding challenges. So go ahead, give a try and streamline your Keepass entry saving process. And with that, we conclude our journey through solving this coding conundrum. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below to let us know if this solution worked for you. Until next time, happy coding and may your errors be as fleeting as a cached web page on a Monday morning.